internet is currently buzzing with memes, jokes, and viral videos about our favorite street foods suddenly looking a little pale. If you've scrolled through social media lately, you've likely seen the viral posts joking that foods like jalebi, chicken lollipop, and gobi Manchurian are finally showing their true colors. While the internet is having a good laugh about it, this culinary makeover is not a coincidence. It is the direct result of a massive, real-world crackdown on food safety and hygiene, spearheaded by Maharashtra's Food and Drug Administration, FDA, Commissioner Thukaram Mundhe. Here is a deep dive into why your favorite neon-colored dishes have suddenly turned golden brown, the strict rules governing food colors in India, and why this viral moment is actually a massive win for your health. The Thukaram Mundhe effect. To understand why a chicken lollipop is suddenly missing its signature fiery red coat, you have to understand the man behind the change. IS Officer Thukaram Mundhe is known for his uncompromising, no-nonsense administrative style. Upon taking charge of the Maharashtra FDA in mid-2026, he transformed the department from a slow-moving licensing desk into a highly proactive enforcement agency. Within his first 30 days, the FDA executed surprise inspections, night raids, and mass lab testings across Maharashtra. The numbers were staggering. Over 22 lakh kilograms of adulterated materials, valued at nearly 29 Indian rupees crore, were seized. This included fake paneer, synthetic milk laced with urea and detergent, and vast quantities of illegal or excessive artificial food dyes. The sheer scale and suddenness of these raids struck fear into the hearts of street vendors and restaurant owners alike. The viral video shared by an ex-user showing a pale, golden brown chicken lollipop perfectly captured this sentiment. The user joked that the restaurant completely dropped artificial food coloring strictly out of fear of Thukaram Mundhe. Why do restaurants use so much color? We eat with our eyes first. A bright, glowing orange jalebi looks exceptionally sweet and perfectly fried, while a crimson-red gobi Manchurian screams spicy and flavorful. Food coloring creates a powerful psychological expectation of taste. However, there is a darker side to this aesthetic. In the highly competitive and cost-sensitive street food market, excessive artificial color is frequently used as a deceptive tool. Unscrupulous vendors use heavy dyes to mask poor quality, stale, or adulterated ingredients. If the chicken is a few days old and looking dull, dipping it in neon red dye hides the flaws. If the jalebi batter is made with subpar flour, a heavy dose of synthetic orange makes it look premium. The law. Are food colors actually banned in India? As the viral posts correctly noted, permitted food colors are not completely banned in India. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, has very specific, strict guidelines under its food products standards and food additives regulations. The issue isn't always that vendors are using banned substances. It's how they use permitted ones. The regulations govern three main aspects of artificial coloring. 1. The what, permitted versus banned. FSSAI allows the use of specific synthetic food colors, such as tartrazine yellow, sunset yellow, orange, Ponceau 4R red, and Carmazine red. However, during the recent raids, the FDA found vendors using strictly banned industrial dyes like rhodamine B. Rhodamine B is a harsh chemical dye meant for the textile and paper industry, but it is notoriously used to give cotton candy, booty kubal, its bright pink hue. 2. The how much, the 100 ppm rule. This is where most restaurants fail. FSSAI mandates that even permitted synthetic food colors must not exceed 100 parts per million ppm, or 100 milligrams per kilogram of food. In high-end kitchens, color is measured with microscopic precision. On the street, untrained cooks often grab a fistful of cheap dye powder and toss it directly into a marinade, resulting in chemical concentrations that are 10 to 20 times the legal limit. 3. The where restricted usage. FSSAI dictates exactly which foods can legally contain added synthetic colors. While certain processed sweets, candies, and ice creams are allowed to have them, you are strictly prohibited from adding synthetic colors to fresh meats, raw agricultural produce, and several staple foods. Therefore, aggressively dyeing raw chicken for a lollipop before frying it is a direct violation of food safety standards. The health impact of eating neon food. Why is the FDA treating food color like a public health emergency? because consuming these chemicals in uncontrolled, massive doses has severe biological consequences. Carcinogenic risks. Banned industrial dyes like rhodamine B and methanol yellow are known carcinogens. Prolonged exposure to these chemicals drastically increases the risk of liver damage and cancer. Behavioral issues in children. Numerous global health studies have linked high intakes of synthetic food dyes